welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 different companies that actually help you hack your IKEA furniture. These are companies that take your basic IKEA pieces and turn them into something a little bit more high-end looking and a little bit more custom. Everyone knows that IKEA has affordable prices, really great basic pieces, but sometimes their options of finishes are not endless. If you have existing IKEA pieces or you're ready to buy something new but want it to be a little bit more high-end looking, these companies are definitely something that you should know about. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so the first company I think everyone should know about is called Pretty Pegs. They create custom legs that fit into IKEA furniture, chairs, tables, cabinets. Really just adding a new leg takes the piece to a whole new level. A lot of IKEA couches come with these kind of square plastic feet, and that's what's really making them look cheaper sometimes. So I think Pretty Pegs figured that out, got all custom legs that you can add to your IKEA pieces. So if you love a couch or love a table from IKEA, but you don't really like the feet or the legs so much, check out Pretty Pegs and you'll see so many different options that might fit your style better. Sometimes I go into IKEA, I love a couch, I'll use this one for example, but the feet are not my favorite. So by switching those out, really having a tapered leg or a gold leg or something really special looking, totally would change up the look of the piece and make it look a little bit more custom. I have a few favorite legs from there, one called the Estelle leg, which is like a two-tone leg that has a nice gold trim at the bottom. I also like the Siri leg. I think it looks very traditional and has this nice round shape to it, which is really cute. And then the Carl leg is a nice classic tapered look that looks very mid-century, so that's very on trend right now. It goes with so many different furniture pieces. They've also expanded into hardware for cabinets like pulls and knobs and also cabinet fronts. So I have a few favorites on there as well. There's so many gorgeous options and really great prices. They also ship worldwide, so that's a really good thing. All of us can have access to it. I think this is such a great option to really change up the style of a piece that you already have, or consider it a cheaper option than buying something super custom. Going with an IKEA piece and bringing in these replacement legs will definitely save you a lot of money. Alright, now on to kitchen cabinetry. There's different ways you can do this. You can go full IKEA, you can go full custom. There's definitely a huge price difference between the two, or you could go somewhere in between and use a company called Semi-Handmade. So they create beautiful handmade cabinet doors that fit perfectly into the IKEA boxes. So this is a great way to save money when you're designing your kitchen because you can use half IKEA, half custom, and really get this amazing look. You're actually saving money on the part of the kitchen that no one sees. No one sees the boxes and the shelves, but everyone sees the doors and the fronts. They have a lot of selection on their website as well, different colors, materials, styles, so it really gives you more options when designing your IKEA kitchen. If you're not finding what you need at IKEA, hold off on the door order and you can get custom ones from Semi-Handmade. I think if I was to design a kitchen, I would definitely do it this way. You pretty much take the planning model that you do on the IKEA website, bring it into the Semi-Handmade website, and they tell you exactly what you should be getting to fill out your kitchen and make sure it looks perfect. If you were looking into doing an IKEA kitchen or you already have an IKEA kitchen and you really want to update it, this is definitely the way to do it, and I think it will save you so much more money. Instead of ripping it all out, you can reface the kitchen using Semi-Handmade. And if you're thinking about doing an IKEA bathroom vanity or you already have one, you can also update it using the Semi-Handmade products as well. So I would say the only thing is that Semi-Handmade is only available in the US. So if you're outside of the US, that might not be as helpful for you guys. So another company that does pretty much the exact same thing is called Coquina, and they are available in US and Canada. They also have different finishes, different color options. I'm pretty sure they have around the same price range and similar style options. So they have shaker, modern, traditional, so many different options and colors to choose from. So there's definitely other companies that do this as well, but Coquina and Semi-Handmade are very well known. They have amazing reviews and their portfolios are so stunning. You wouldn't even know that behind the beautiful cabinet door is a basic IKEA kitchen box. So now on to customizing sofas, armchairs, bed frames, dining chairs, anything that's really upholstered. This company is called Bems and they provide slip covers for IKEA furniture pieces. So they have so many different color options, fabric options, and it really allows you to take your IKEA piece to the next level. So they do slip covers for sofas, armchairs, dining chairs, bed frames, headboards, footstools. So if you really want to create a custom look, maybe match your sofa or armchair to your room design, Bems definitely allows you to do that with so many different fabric options. They even have a slipcover for one of my favorite sofas at Ikea called the Farloff Sofa. I've showed this on my channel before, but it's an affordable, comfortable, really high-end looking sofa, but there is only about like, I don't know, 4 different upholstery options at Ikea. So Bems has a beautiful slipcover for this couch, and they have 113 different upholstery options. So I'm sure you could really find something that totally goes with your space and is exactly what you need. So they have linen options, cotton options, velvet, even a conscious material, which is a little bit more sustainable. So again, I feel like this is a great option for anybody that has existing furniture from Ikea that they want to give a makeover to and really change up the look of, or people that are shopping at Ikea, found something that they love, but there isn't the color option that they were thinking. Bems also provides samples, so you can order different samples of the fabric that you're looking for, and they also ship worldwide. All right, now on to something to customize kids' furniture, kids' toys, kids' bedrooms. This company called Limaland is such a cute option. The only thing for me is that they're only available in Europe. So for those of you watching from Europe, you guys can get your hands on Limaland products. They're pretty much stick-on decals for IKEA products. So they provide perfect cut decals to fit right onto IKEA pieces like beds, high chairs, play kitchens, playhouses, walls, shelves, like they have everything. So it's really cool. You can totally customize your simple kids IKEA pieces into something a little bit more custom. They also have little decals for the walls, so you can kind of create little wallpaper looks. They have a really cool track to go over tabletop, so you can turn a simple tabletop into a play track. Limaland products could be a great option for anybody that's renting, because you can do the peel and stick decals on the wall and really create a custom wall piece, but then be able to remove it as well. So if you're not allowed to paint, this could be a really cool option for you as well. I found this company on Etsy, so you can go on Etsy and check out all their products. But they also have a website as well, but it's all in German and I couldn't figure out how to translate it. So if you're looking at their products, I'll link the Etsy page down below. Another peel and stick customization company is called Sticker Color Ray, and they're available in the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia. So there is more options for anybody that's not just in Europe. So they provide similar options. They have peel and stick options for the mound dresser, the Cura bed, the Calyx unit, the play kitchen. So there is some similarities there. They also have decals for stairs, tiles, and walls, so not just IKEA pieces, they have things to customize your home as well. It should also be super easy to install the Sticker Color Ray decal and the Limaland decals because they're already cut to size, so you don't have to do any measuring or cutting. It's kind of like the easiest way to do a peel and stick job. I recently did a peel and stick makeover on my bed and my dresser, and I give my whole room a makeover, so if you missed that makeover, I will link that down below as well. Definitely check it out. It really shows you how easy it is to transform your space using peel and stick products. Alright, and the last IKEA hacking company I wanted to share with you is called Norse Interiors, and they're available in the US and Canada. They help you customize IKEA storage cabinets, IKEA TV stands, dressers, nightstands. They also have furniture legs, pulls, and handles as well. So there's lots you can do to customize your IKEA furniture using this company. My favorite thing that they do that I think is also new for them is that they have radio cane cabinet doors that fit right into IKEA TV stands, and I think they're cabinets. So it really creates an on-trend, light, beachy look out of something that started out as a really basic piece from IKEA. I know a lot of people right now are doing DIY IKEA hacks, turning their IKEA pieces into cane webbed furniture, but this is an easy way of doing it without doing it yourself. It's already ready to go, and all you would have to do is install the doors. So again, if you already have an existing TV stand, storage cabinet, dresser from IKEA, and you want to take it to the next level, you can order the Norse Interiors side panel, top, new door, new legs, and even new hardware. That way it totally transforms a basic plain IKEA piece into something so much more elevated and custom looking. Alright, so those are the 7 different companies that help you hack your IKEA furniture and make it so much easier for you to achieve a high-end custom looking piece for way less. I gathered this list to hopefully cover all elements of IKEA products, from peel and stick options, leg options, slip covers, kitchens, cabinetry, peel and stick products. This list had it all, so I hope you found this helpful and informative, and I hope you learned something new. I remember when I found out about these IKEA hacking companies, I was mind blown. I just think it's such a smart idea. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite IKEA hacking company was, and if you know about any more that we should know about, let us know down below. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming content. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss my upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!